Good day, friends. I want to show you something that will make you passive income, especially those who are looking for a way to be earning extra cash. I have a platform that I would like to show you where you can make some money with a task or job that you have to render. So they always say they pay for services. So when you make a sacrifice of doing some jobs on this platform, they will pay you. And remember my last video, I also talked about on how to make money on Owo Daily. So just the same thing, but the difference is that the money that you pay here is leads you compared to Owo Daily. And you know that the more you pay money, the more task that will be given to you. You go to access other tasks or jobs. Now for this platform that I'm going to show you, how does it work? It works like the Owo Daily I showed on my previous video, or I explained on my previous video. This one is whereby you do a task to those who are looking on how to grow their channel. For example, if you are a YouTuber and you want to grow your channel, or a YouTuber want to grow his channel, what he does is to come to this platform and register with them, or his business with them, or we can say his channel with them. And me and you and I, per se, we come here and do the work for them. We will be paid for our services. That is what this platform does. Now, what is this platform? The platform is Viraltrend. So those that also want to grow their Twitter, they can also come here. They register with them, and you and I will also come here and help them to grow their Twitter account. That is why you see many we have many some we have many followers. The same thing with Instagram. So if you are looking for a follower, you can also come to this website, this platform, register with them, and they'll be helping you to do tasks by doing some jobs so as to grow your channels, either YouTube channels, your Instagram account, and Twitter account. So this is what this platform does. And remember, I said the name of the platform is Viraltrend. And for you to register on this Viraltrend, you have to pay a token. It is not much. If you pay 500 naira for the registration, for you to become a verified member, you will be earning some task, or be able to access some task. It is not all tasks that you're able to access. But if you pay the one of 1,500, you're able to what? Access many tasks. There's many jobs. So I will encourage you to pay the one of 1,500 naira so that you're able to access all jobs. Yes, by the time you access all jobs, that's when you're able to make the money out of this platform. But if you say you want to pay for the 500 naira, you also work, but you not gain, you not be able to access all the works on this platform. So that is how the platform works. Now let us go straight to the platform and see how it is. Good, this is the platform. I remember I told you it's a Viraltrend. You have to put your legal name here, legal names. You put your first name, your last name, and your email address. Now let's assume we want to do the registration together. For the sake of this tutorial, I will teach you on how to register so that you'll be verified immediately. Now let me put my name here. Good, this is my name, and let me put my email address. My email address. I've used some of this email. That's why you see it's showing like this, because I've used this email here to register on this platform. And I have a platform, sorry, and I have a website here. I have an account here, rather. Yes, I have an account here. I have an account here. So this is my email address. Let's log in. Good, all good, success. You see. So this is the first part of the, that was the first part of the registration. And this is the second part of the registration. So what we have to do here is to put the country you are. So I'm in Nigeria. I'm staying in Nigeria. So you put the country you are, the states, you put the state. So like me, I'm staying, good, I'm in Edo. Then I will put password. I want to generate a password because of, sorry, okay. I want to generate a password here. Good. For this tutorial. Let me generate a password for this tutorial. All right, let me put my password. Okay. Let me put a password. Let me put a password. Let me confirm the password. I want to confirm the password. Let me see if it is correct. All right. So the next step is to put your username here. Name that you want to place on this platform. Yes. Yes, the name that you want to be registered on this platform. So after which you tick the box and say yes, I understand and agree to the Viraltrend terms of service. So you register yourself. See, say successfully, you have successfully registered yourself. So what you have to do now is to go and verify yourself. They sent me an email, so we'll go there and check the email and verify ourselves fully. So this, I'm there already. You can see the email is already here. So say welcome. Hello Brian. Hello Brian. Verify yourself. So we want to verify the email. Good. So automatically it has logged me in because I've saved the password. So it's advisable for you to save the password so that by the time you want to log in, it will not be difficult. So let me log into the account now. Take the next step. We'll continue. Okay, sorry. It required my passing of my email. So I'm supposed to use my email, not, remember you have to use your email to as your username. Yes, that's what they require. So use your email as your username. So I've used my here now. So let me try again and log in. Wow, that's logged me in. This is the dashboard. Yeah, this is the dashboard. So let's go straight to the dashboard and see how it is. Exactly what I want to see. Yeah, this is exactly what I want to see. Now you can see the package or the packages. We have basic and premium. Now earn from social media task. You see, so by the time you basically you pay 500 naira for this first plan, and by the time you pay 500 naira, you remember I said it earlier while explaining the platform. that you have to pay 500 naira for this particular one, and by the time you pay this one, that you will not be any accessing all task. So if you pay this 500 naira now, you will not be able to access all tasks. But if you pay this 1,500 naira, you're able to access all tasks, whether Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, or you'll be accessing all of them. And that is when you'll be able to make money. By the time you make money with less than an hour, or an hour if you are a serious type, and able to recover the money that you have used to sign up on this platform. That's why I say I recommend you pay this 1.5 on this platform, so that you're able to access all money, or sorry, all tax, and you will be happy when you must have worked and have the money that you use to register on this platform. So this money is not too big, friends. It is small. It is 1.5. But if you say you want to go for this, remember I explained that you're not able to access all tasks. So if you pay on this particular 1.5, this 1.5 plan, that is when you go to access all tasks. So I encourage you to pay for this. So let's assume that you want to pay on the list. You select. Sorry, you next rather. You next. Good. You next. So they say you should pay the 1.5. Then you say pay with wave. That's what how to do it. Fine. You put your card number here, your the valid when the card is expiring, the day that the card is expiring, you also put it here. Then you put your CVV, you put it here. You put your CVV here. Yeah, you put your CVV here rather. Put your CVV here. Then you pay, and immediately you'll be deducted. So it is not much. Just try to use the link below to register. Use the link below to register on this platform. Yes, remember I said that you should put your card here. Okay, so remember this your card. The details are going to put here. Don't be afraid. You don't uh, take all your money. You only collect the 1,519 naira. 19 naira is added to it because of some charges. You understand? So it's just normal. So these are a platform that will help you to make extra money. That's how to register on this platform. It's very simple, as you can see. So remember, use the link below to register so that you be verified immediately. Now let's assume you have paid, and let me show you how the platform works. This is my account. Remember I told you before that I've opened an account with them on this platform. So this is my account. As you can see, this is how the account comes about. This is my dashboard. Yes. So what you have to do is to do the work now. Facebook comment. Yes, remember I even said Facebook. Why the Facebook was added is that I use that one. I register with that 1.5. That's why I have Facebook here. So if you're able to do that to that 1.5, register with that 1.5, you access all the social channels: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and maybe others as time goes on. So here now we are asked to do a task here. And what is the task? So this one say we should say comment sky on Instagram. So let's take for this Instagram as a tutorial or as an example. Yes. So you say I should comment sky. If you look at it again here, let me see if I can say it good. Sky. So this is what they require for you to say. But you can type anything rather. But this is what they require, and you'll be paid 3 naira just for a task. And it's simple. The moment you answer that question, or you commented sky, whatever you want to say, immediately your money will come to this dashboard. Now this is my money, 285 naira. Remember, I just started this yesterday. So, and I was able to earn this 285 naira. So we'll be looking at this. By the time we do this as a music, we rise to 288 naira. Yes. So let's do the work. You accept the task first. Something is wrong. What? Let me go again. Okay, let me refresh the page. It's like I need to refresh the page. Okay, let me log in again. Yes, so this is my dashboard. Let me go straight to my dashboard. Excuse me. This is an ad. So that one does not, we don't need that. So I've logged in to my account before again. So let's do the assignment. Okay, this is another one. That is how it works. By the time you do the first job, another one will come. You do not the first this or the other one, another will also come. So let's go and take a preview of this. I want to accept. You accept the task first. You accept this, accepted to success. Good. This, remember that the time counts down. Yes. So by the time, if you this time counts down and you not done this work, it will expire. So you quickly do the job before it counts down to the lowest. So let's go and do the work now. So what I need to do here, just to what say comment. So let me just say wow. That's what they need. You say wow. So you can say anything you like, and I post. Then after that, you go back to your that place that it says you should do the assignment. You see, you wait for it to calm down before you say you will make a further move. Good. You say done. So you have done the assignment before the time counts down. So we go and do some other parts. You see, put your Instagram name here. So I want to put my yeah. It's my Instagram name. Then the Instagram email is the right one. So I will submit and see what. Yes, that's be connected to my wallet. You see now, and I have 288 naira. I remember I was having 285 naira before. So that is how to do the task. So if I want to do another one now, this one you just to follow the Twitter. You follow. You also follow here. Then you make a comment here. So it is simple as it is. Please remember to subscribe to the channel. It's very important. Subscribe to the channel and also use the link below to register on this platform and start doing this job. Thank you. See you next time on this channel.